write A over B equals C over D, what would you multiply A by?
D.
By D. So you'd write A times D is equal to what, Veronica? What would you multiply for the other one then? For here, you would do A times D, and then you would do C times B. Does order matter for multiplication?
No.
No, so I could even do D times A equals B times C. Okay, you're going to try this one all on your own. You have it there. So 21 over 70 equals 3 over 10. You need to find out what the cross products are. So remember, you're going to multiply diagonally. So figure that out and then tell me if it's a proportion and why. Yes. Okay, so I see a lot of people multiplying the right numbers together. What would you multiply 21 by?
200.
By 10. What do you get? 210. And what would you multiply 3 by?
70.
And what does that get you?
210.
What do you notice?
Proportional.
It is proportional because cross products are what? Equal. Excellent. What do you think this is called? We haven't used this vocab term yet. It's called the property of blank. Property of blank. Think about what this whole lesson is about. What is this whole lesson about, Devante?
This is about multiplication.
Okay, it has to do with multiplication. What is the whole thing about though? Two equal ratios are called something. That's everything that we're learning right now, DJ. Proportions. This is called property of proportions. Okay, make sure that you have that. That's a really good vocabulary term that you have, especially on the state test when they ask you to explain your answer. You could use property of proportions for the explanation piece. All right. Now, we are going to organize two groups that are going to form a ratio that are equal to 12 to 60. That are equal to 12 to 60. So, this group is going to be the 12. This group is going to be the 60. You need to give me two things that are equal to 12 over 60. So you're going to need to talk to each other. So think about a different ratio that's going to be equal to 12 over 60. Do you get what I'm saying? Like how we did 2/3, we went to 4/6, they were equal. So you need to make a ratio that's equal to 12 over 60. You'll be the numerator, they'll be the denominator. So talk to each other quietly. The same thing here. You're going to be the 12, you're going to be the 60. Try to come up with a ratio. You're going to have to talk with each other quietly. This group, come right over here with them. This group over here with them. And mediate. Go ahead and get up. I'm timing you. You have 2 minutes to come up with a ratio. And you're going to have to show it to me. Using your eggs. And you're going to have enough eggs. So think about if you can go bigger or if you should go smaller. Yeah. If you use 6 and they use 6, is that going to be equal to 12 over 60? No. So think about a number that both of you can use that'll be equal to it.
600.
But remember, order matters. So they're the 12 and you're the 60. I would listen to Aaron if I were you. You got a minute left.
You gotta have enough to use the edge.
Okay, you need to be ready to hold up your eggs. So, you've got about 30 more seconds. In 30 seconds, I'm going to ask these two groups to show me their ratio. I hope that we don't get the same one. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This group. Hold up yours. So you're 12. I'm going to write this up here so we can make sure that they're equal. So we're going from 12 over 60. This group is holding up 1 egg for 12. And how many is that for yellow? 5 for yellow. Okay, let's see if our cross products are equal. What's 1 times 60? 60. What's 5 times 12? 60. Are they proportional? Yes. So are these two groups okay? Yes, they're good. That works. How about this group? What do you guys have? Okay, let's switch it up. You got 30 seconds. Give me a different ratio.
6 over 2.
Okay, are we ready? All right, listen. How many eggs do you have?
3.
You have 3? How about how many eggs do you have?
15.
15. Okay, let's see if they're right. 3 times 60
180.
is 180. 15 times 12. Let's make sure it's 180. 2 times 5? 10. 2 times 1 plus 1? 3. 1 times 5? 1 times 1? What do we get?
180.
Are they proportional?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now. Hold on. What? Yes. Andre had a really good suggestion. He said instead of cross multiplying, are we with me? We could have just divided. 12 divided by what is 3? 4. Is 60 divided by 4 15?
Yes.
Yes, so I'm good. Okay. Now for this next one, red and blue. Raise your hand if you're blue. Okay, here's blue. Raise your hand if you're red. Okay, red. You two are going to show me a ratio right now. Show me 2 to 7. Blue is 2, red is 7. Show me that. Hold them up. So one person hold up 7 and one person hold up blue.
He got 7.
2 blue. Yep, 2 to 7. You have 7?
Yep.
And you have 2. Okay. Now I'm going to have something over 21. One person here, listen, one person here has 7. How many people here would have to hold up 7? 3 people, so 3 people hold up 7. Quick, make 21. Keep these up. Red and blue, you're not done yet. Keep yours up. No. 2. It says red to blue. 2 to 7. Oh, yes, you were. That's fine. We'll do blue to red. Thank you. Okay, and now we're yellow to green. All right, so you have up, we're switching the order. So instead of red to blue, we're doing blue to red. and we're doing green to yellow.